Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I will be showing you how I made this delicious turkey so that you guys can make a delicious turkey as well for your family. So if you guys would like to know how I made this delicious turkey, then let's get into this video. First thing I do is I will chop my celery, my bell peppers, and my onions. I'm using 1 bell pepper, 2 onions, and I'm using 3 ribs of celery, 3 to 4 ribs of celery, and I will dice them up. Here I have my turkey. This turkey is 14 pounds and I paid over 20 something dollars for this turkey, as you can see. So I'm going to open this turkey from the package and we are going to get ready to wash and clean this turkey, me and my daughter, so you guys can watch how I took the turkey and washed and cleaned it. I took the turkey necks, the liver, and the hearts, which we call the giblets of the turkey, out. Then I poured some salt over the turkey and I scrubbed it with some water to get all of the gunk off of it. My next step is to cut the turkey tail. You will also cut that extra skin from around your turkey. Because we will not be stuffing this turkey with stuffing, we're just going to put some vegetables in it. So we don't need to close the inside of the turkey up. We're just going to cut all that extra neck skin off and that fat off around the turkey, and you're going to discard that extra turkey fat. Now I did neck, and you're going to discard the fat. I did save my giblets and I boiled them so that I can use the giblets for my turkey dressing, because I will be making turkey dressing. So I will take the meat off of those giblets and I'm going to place them in my dressing. The next step is to pat dry your turkey with a paper towel, because you don't want your turkey to be wet. We are going to add in some butter and some oil. So just go ahead and mix the melted butter and oil, and I have some minced garlic added in. And my next step will be to add in the seasonings. So you guys can see me add the seasonings in the next few steps. I will start out by adding in some onion powder, and I will be using 2 tablespoons of the onion powder, and each seasoning after that will only be 1 tablespoon of each seasoning. So you guys can see me add the seasoning in, and if you would like to jot down the type of seasonings that I'm using, I am showing you the seasonings so that you can write it down, and it will be in the description box below. seasoning that we mix with the oil and butter over our turkey. You want to place this all over your turkey, inside and out, so that your turkey does get the flavor that it needs. And trust me, I did not inject my turkey, and I still tasted these flavors. You do not have to inject your turkey in order to taste these flavors. Lift up that skin and put that seasoning and that oil under the skin. Go all on the inside and outside the crevices, the front and the back, with the oil and the herb mixture. Now, the onions, the celery, and the bell pepper that we chopped up at first, we are going to place that inside of the cavity of the turkey, and we are going to sprinkle some around the turkey. This will create an aroma that helps with the flavor of the turkey, as well create a delicious turkey broth. Take your fingers and lift up your skin as to not rip it, and put the seasoning under the skin of the turkey. Now, you are going to take a string, and you can tie up the feet of your turkey. Now, if you don't want to, you don't have to. But for the aesthetic and the peeling process, tie the turkey legs up and clip that string. The string costs about $2 per roll at the store. Also, tuck your turkey wings under the turkey so that they do not burn while they are cooking. Next, I'm going to add in some chicken broth. Well, basically some water with some chicken bouillon powder, and you guys need to do the same, or just add some basic water. And this is what helps make the turkey broth. I am going to close my turkey up in a lot of aluminum foil, okay, so that the turkey can steam in that chicken broth. Let's get ready to cook this turkey. We are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We will bake our turkey for 4 hours, okay? For the first 2 hours, first 2 to 3 hours, I'm going to bake my turkey at 350. I'm going to take it out after 3 hours. I am going to check the temperature on my turkey. Remember to baste your turkey once you open it up, and discard of the extra foil if it is time for you to brown your skin. Make sure that the internal temperature is 165 degrees for your turkey to be done, okay? But my turkey isn't ready yet, so I am going to baste it. I am going to cover it back up, and I'm going to place it back in the oven. So now my turkey has reached 167 degrees by my thermometer. I am going to pull my turkey out, and I'm going to recheck my turkey in several places to see if it is done, because it may not be done since that thermometer said 167 in one spot. You have to check it in several spots, okay? If your turkey is ready per your thermometer, go ahead and take that foil off all the way around, and we are going to take the broth out of the turkey, okay? Get as much of the broth off as you can. You have to dip it out. You're not gonna be able to pour it out. Place your turkey back in the oven until it gets ready to turn brown. As you can see here, my turkey is starting to turn brown. in some places darker than the others. So what I'm going to do in these dark spots, I will cover that with some aluminum foil so that it doesn't brown too fast. We want to get an even brown as possible so that our turkey can look beautiful on the table. Okay, that's what we are aiming for. So now after 4 hours of cooking and browning, my turkey is done, you guys. And no, I didn't hit it under the broiler. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe, Cooking with TK. I decorated it with some parsley around it and on the inside of the crevices as well. So this is what it looks like. And trust me, you guys, I'm gonna cut it open in the next clip so that you guys can see exactly what it looks like. It's a little drier than what I expected, but that's because I took the time to brown it to the desired way that I wanted it to look to be presentable. But it was very tasty, very delicious. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look at that turkey. It is cooked all the way through. And this turkey was 14 pounds. So yeah, you guys can follow my recipe on how to make a turkey. Thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK, and have a great day.